Look around and you will see so many things from A to Z. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bed, where we rest our head. C is for chair, we sit and swing. D is for door with a golden ring. E is for egg, cooked every day. F is for fan that blows air our way. G is for glass, clear and bright. H is for hat, fitting just right. I is for iron, making clothes neat. J is for jacket to wear in the street. K is for key, opening the door. L is for lamp, lighting the floor. M is for mirror, showing our face. N is for notebook, for a special place. O is for oven, baking a treat. P is for pillow, soft and sweet. Q is for quilt, cozy at night. R is for rug, colorful and bright. S is for spoon, for eating soup. T is for table, for a family group. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for vase in pretty displays. W is for window, letting in light. X is for Zoyo, from colorful and bright. Y is for yogurt, creamy and fun. Z is for zipper, to zip and run. Now we've learned from A to Z, everyday things for you and me. What do you see around today? Sing it again and shout hooray!